Section 1.1.51. It is extremely important for a researcher to clearly define the variables in a study because this helps to determine the type of analysis that can be performed on the data. For example, if a researcher wanted to describe bank customers based on PIN, the personal identification number, what level of measurement would the variable PIN be? Now suppose the researcher felt that certain customers that had been with the bank longer received higher PINs. Does the level of measurement of the variable change? If so, how? Now, a variable is at the nominal level of measurement if the values of the variable name, label, or categorize. A variable is at the ordinal level of measurement if it has the properties of the nominal level of measurement, but the naming scheme allows for the values of the variable to be arranged in a ranked or specific order. A variable is at the interval level of measurement if it has the properties of the ordinal level of measurement, and the differences in the values of the variable have meaning. A variable is at the ratio level of measurement if it has the properties of the interval level of measurement, and the ratios of the values of the variable have meaning. Notice that interval variables can be added and subtracted meaningfully, and that a value of 0 does not mean an absence of the quantity. Also notice that ratio variables can be multiplied and divided meaningfully, and that a value of 0 means the absence of the quantity. Now, in the first scenario, the data for the variable PIN do not have a natural starting point where none of the data are present. The difference between data values is not meaningful. Likewise, the ratio of data values is not meaningful. Thus, the level of measurement of PINs is nominal in the first scenario. Now consider the second scenario where the researcher believes higher PINs are given to certain customers that have been with the bank longer. Notice that the data still do not have a natural starting point where none of the data are present. In addition, the difference between data values is still not meaningful. However, the data does now have values that can be ordered. The PINs can be ordered by how long a customer has been with the bank. Therefore, the level of measurement of PINs has changed to ordinal.